Hi everyone, my name's Corian with Forest River Sabre. Today we're going to take a look at the new 2023 38 RLH. This is a beautiful rear living floor plan with a mid kitchen, and we do a front bathroom up front. So there's a lot of storage space, a whole lot of entertaining space back here. You've got big beautiful windows that flank the entire campsite. They're all shaded with our zebra shade. Right now it's letting in just a little bit of light, and I can alternate that to really black it out or let in as much or as little as I want. But back here you've got theater seating, so heat, massage, blue LED lights, and those fully reclined. This in the back is a tri-fold sleeper sofa, so it'll pull out into a full-size bed. Then you've got a nice fireplace that pumps out electric heat, as well as a big TV, tons of storage space in here. And then as I come along to the kitchen, you'll see that you've got a little bar set up here that gives you a little extra countertop space. We've built some storage into it as well. And then you have a 4-person dinette. It's set up a little differently this year for the 23s. You've got a bench on the one side that gives you a little more space at the table. Then you've got 2 chairs as well. And in the kitchen, you've got a big 12-volt refrigerator. That's an Everchill. It's 16 cubic feet, so it's very large, like a residential fridge that you'd find at home, but it runs directly off the batteries. If you have a small generator, you can go for a week or longer. If you upgrade the solar and add more batteries, you can get into more boondocking as well. Then you have a 30-inch microwave, so a nice big size on the microwave, 3-burner stove, an oven, lots of storage back here in the kitchen as well. The deep farm style sink, solid surface countertops all around. You get nice accent lighting not only underneath the countertop, but all along the crown molding. And then lastly, you have a breakfast bar before I head over here to the half bathroom. It's great for a little extra pantry space and say your crock pot or coffee maker. And then right before we go upstairs, you have the half bathroom. So there's lots of linen storage in there. You've got a toilet, full sink. And then just up in the master, there's a storage loft that's actually built over that half bathroom. That'll let you get a good look at. So lots of space in there. And then the king bed in here, it's an RV king, so 72 by 80, nice big size. It's on a slide out, so it gives you more room in this room as well. You've got a shelf positioned over your heads in the bed, so you can set your cell phones. There's power there to charge them up at nighttime. You've got an extra wardrobe space here. And then the star of the show is really this front bathroom. So you've got a his and hers sink. You've got tons of countertop space here, 3 medicine cabinets, a full front wardrobe. And then behind me is space for another wardrobe or a stackable washer dryer prep area. You've got a good tub surround with a seat in there, a skylight for some extra headroom, as well as a porcelain toilet and our new tankless water heater. So you've got on-demand hot water with this bathroom set up, no more waiting in between showers. It keeps up very well with families. Now we can take a look at the exterior. So now we're on the exterior of the 38 RLH, and underneath the front cap is our front storage compartment. You're gonna have a spare tire that's housed up there, as well as a lead acid battery that comes from the factory, and your battery disconnect that's attached to the charge controller. It's a 30 amp charge controller, so 100 watt solar to begin with, and you can expand up to 500 watts if you would like to before you need to change out any equipment. Then we also do the polar package, so it's a fully enclosed underbelly, has thermofoil wrapped underbelly, front cap, and roof. And then we fully insulate it as well and run furnace ducts over the holding tanks. With this setup, you can get down to about 20 degrees, -6 Celsius before you'd want to skirt the underbelly to help with any freezing that may occur, wind chill. But then up front here, all the sidewalls, it's a true 2-inch thick sidewall. Same goes for the slide boxes, they're vacuum bonded. Then you also have an exterior kitchen with a small sink as well as a small fridge. There's LP Quick Connect down below. Then you've got a great big pass-through storage on the 38 RLH that goes all the way through. Tons of storage in there. It's nice and wide for picnic tables or lawn chairs. You got the nice all black friction hinge door. Makes it so it doesn't slam open quite so easy. You've got the Moride steps as well that lead up to the entryway with adjustable feet pins. So it's easy to adjust any terrain you're at. You also have LED lighting underneath the threshold as well for a little extra safety at nighttime. That turns on when the awning lights illuminate, so it illuminates your campsite as well as the steps. Then you've got quick pressure sensors on there as well for 80 PSI. It'll be green. If it goes below that, it'll turn yellow. Really low, it's gonna turn red, so you can check your tire pressure before you go. Then on the rear, you've got a 2-inch hitch receiver, 300 pounds of vertical weight you can put on there, so small generator, bike rack, firewood works great back there. And you also have the backup camera that's already pre-equipped. It's the Lippert system, so your LCI One control app on your smartphone will control the display for the camera as well as your lights, slides, awning, and auto leveling. That about wraps it up for the 38 RLH. Thanks for taking some time with us. If you'd like to learn any more about this model or any of the other floor plans that we offer, please visit our website at forestriverinc.com/Sabre. Thank you.